Let knowledge flow like a river, without any hindrance. Don't make it like a stagnant pool. Hey there, Excel enthusiasts. Welcome back to the channel. In our last video, we dove deep into creating various chart types. If you haven't already, check it out for a refresher. Now, let's tackle a more complex task, combining multiple charts. Ever struggled to compare different data sets in a single visualization? Combination charts are your solution. By merging bar, line, pie, and more, you can create powerful graphs that tell a compelling story about your data. Let's explore how to create these versatile charts and unlock their full potential. So, grab your Excel workbook and let's get started. If it is your first visit in this channel, don't forget to like, share, subscribe, and leave your comments below. Your like, share, subscribe, and comments are the X factor of the motivation for me. Great job on mastering the basics of creating charts in your last video. You're looking at a line chart I made for my last presentation, using Excel. Now, let's dive into the exciting world of combination charts. Let's combine a column chart with this line chart. Remember our two separate charts, column chart and the line chart based on the same data range. Let's see how we can merge these charts into a single combination chart. But why should we merge these charts? Now, how combining charts can help us compare different data sets. You can easily compare trends and patterns between different data series. Tell a more compelling story. A combination chart can provide a richer and more informative visual narrative than separate charts. Save space. By combining charts, you can reduce the number of charts on your worksheet, making your workbook more efficient and easier to read. Now, let's watch a quick demonstration of how to merge these two charts. First, we'll duplicate this line chart. To do so, right-click on the chart to bring up a menu. Choose Copy from the options. Now, select a cell where you want the copy to appear. I'll select this one. Then, right-click again, and select Keep Source Formatting, K, from the Paste options. As you can see, a new, identical line chart has been created. I'm now going to manually adjust its position on the worksheet. What is Keep Source Formatting, K? In Excel, when you paste data from one location to another, you have the option to preserve the original formatting of the copied cells. This is where Keep Source Formatting, K, comes into play. This option ensures that the pasted data retains its original font, color, alignment, and other formatting characteristics. When to use Keep Source Formatting, K. Preserving consistent appearance. When you want to paste data while maintaining its original look and feel, especially if it's part of a larger, formatted structure. Copying formulas. If you're copying a formula and want to retain its formatting, example number format, cell color, this option is crucial. Creating duplicate objects. When you want to duplicate an object, like a chart, while keeping its original formatting intact. How to use Keep Source Formatting, K. Copy the data, select the cells you want to copy and press Ctrl+C, or right-click and choose Copy. Paste, move to the destination cell where you want to paste the data. Choose Keep Source Formatting, right-click and select Paste options. From the drop-down menu, choose Keep Source Formatting, K. Key points to remember. This option is especially useful when working with complex data structures or when you want to maintain a consistent visual appearance throughout your spreadsheet. If you want to overwrite the destination formatting with the source formatting, use Keep Source Formatting, K, exclusively. For more granular control over formatting, consider using conditional formatting or cell styles. By understanding and effectively using Keep Source Formatting, K, you can streamline your Excel workflow and ensure that your data is presented in a visually appealing and consistent manner. Let's customize the appearance of our charts to match your preferences. This customization is crucial to create a visually distinct and informative presentation. Great. That's a good starting point. To customize your chart, you'll need to expand the ribbon first. Here's how you can do it. Let's customize the chart to make it look exactly how you want. First, make sure you can see the ribbon. If you don't, right-click on any tab on the top row of the ribbon, then uncheck the option Minimize the ribbon. You'll then see all the tools together. Now, let's add a thicker border to our first chart. Click on the chart, and a special menu will appear. Select Format from that menu, then choose Shape Outline. Pick a color you like. I'm going to choose black. Next, let's make the border thicker. Go back to the Shape Outline options and choose a thicker line. I'm going to set it to 4.5 points. We can also apply a thick border to the second chart for consistency. Look. Our first chart now has a nice, Now, let's edit our first chart from a line chart to a column chart. Before we make the conversion, let's give the chart a new look by changing its inner and outer colors. We can do this by following the same steps we used earlier. To update the title, simply click on the existing title and replace line with column. That's all it takes. Let's now convert our first line chart to a column chart. Right-click on the chart, select Change Chart Type, and choose the desired column chart style. I'll select this one. To customize the appearance, let's start with the first column. Go to the Format tab under Chart Tools. Click Shape Fill and select a color. I'll choose red. Then, click Shape Outline and select a different color. I'll choose white. Now, let's do the same for the second column. Select any column, go to the Format tab, choose Shape Fill, and select blue. Finally, click Shape Outline and select black. Let's combine these two charts into a single, dynamic visualization. First, group the charts. Select both charts by clicking on one and then holding Shift while clicking on the other. Right-click and choose Group to merge them. Now, customize the combined chart. Individual chart customization. We've already learned how to customize individual charts. Combined chart customization. The process is similar. First, select the combined chart by clicking on it. Then, select the specific data series you want to customize. The Chart Tools tab will appear, allowing you to make adjustments like changing chart types, formatting data labels, and adjusting colors. Let's see how dynamic these combination charts can be. I'm going to update the sales data for 2024 to demonstrate. Before doing that, I am opting the full screen mode and increasing the height manually. Previously, sales for 2024 were relatively low. Let's change that. Year 2024, January 40 crore rupees, February 45 crore rupees, March 50 crore rupees, and so on, up to October 80 crore rupees. As you can see, the 2024 data now shows a more consistent growth pattern. Watch how the combination chart automatically adjusts. Notice how the line representing 2024 shifts upward to reflect the new trend. This dynamic behavior is a major benefit of combination charts, as they can instantly adapt to changes in your data. And there you have it. We've successfully merged two charts into one, creating a more comprehensive and visually appealing representation of our data. Remember, the group command is a versatile tool that can be used to combine various elements in your Excel worksheets, such as photos, text boxes, and more. Thank you for watching this video. If you've made it to the end, I'm sure you've already subscribed to my channel. But just in case, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more Excel tutorials and tips.